Again, students, today in this session, that is in your second period, I'm going to explain question number 8 of exercise 9.1. Now this question number 8, there is two ways. There is one long way is there, and when one is very shortcut method. So first of all, I need to show you the long method that we will follow. Now, how to compare this to one? We have already learned this, isn't it? That how to compare the rational number. For that, we always have to see that whether the denominators are same or not. If not, then we have to get the LCM of those denominators. So how many denominators are there? 2. So 7 and 3. So LCM of 7 and 3 would be 21. Now we'll write the first rational number. Okay, now when you divide this 21 with this denominator, as we already did with the previous sum, so when we divide 21 with 7, we get 3, isn't it? So we'll multiply 3 with both the numerator and the denominator, that is minus 15 on 21. The same thing we'll do with the next rational number. Again we'll divide this LCM, that is 21 with 3. So what is the answer? 7. So 7 will be multiplied with both the numerator and the denominator. So the answer is 14 by 21. Now you will see that whether minus 15 is greater or plus 14 is greater. It's quite obvious that plus 14 is much bigger than minus 15. So which sign will give? We'll give this sign, isn't it? So minus 5 by 7 is less than 2 by 3. Okay, so this is one process. And if suppose it is an objective question in which you do not have to show this process, suppose, then what is the shortcut that you can apply? The shortcut is, there is another way. Suppose if this is given, now what you do is that you multiply 3 with minus 5 in this side. Okay, 3 into this number and 7 into 2. Okay, so what is the answer? Minus 15 and 14. Now you can decide which number is greater. 14 is greater, so which sign you can give? See. So this is a shortcut method. Okay, but if it carries, suppose 2 marks, then you have to show the process, students. You cannot go with the shortcut methods. Okay, but it is only applicable. This method is only applicable when it is objective question. That is only 1 mark system. So you can just see it in the rough and you can give your answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next sum. So again we'll do the same thing, that is minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7 is there. Again we have to see that the denominators are same or not. So in this case also the denominators are not same, so we have to go for the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 7 would be, both are prime numbers, so it will be 35. Now we'll first write the first rational number and then we'll divide this LCM with the denominator, that is 35 divided by 5 is 7. So we'll multiply 7 with both the numerator and the denominator, that is minus 28 by 35. Now let's write the second rational number. So if we divide this LCM with the denominator, this is 7. So 35 divided by 7 is what? 5. So divide 35 by 7 would be, answer is 5 by 5. So minus 25 by 35. Okay, so now decide which number is greater, minus 28 or minus 25. So which number is closest, because both the numbers are in the negative formation. So which number is closest to 0, minus 28 or minus 25? Obviously minus 25 is nearest to 0. Okay, because minus 20 is little far away from 0, isn't it? So this number is greater. So how to write? Minus 25 by 35 is greater than minus 28 by 35, isn't it? Now we'll decide this number is greater. So minus 5 by 7 is greater. So minus 5 by 7 is greater, so it will be this side. So this number is less than this number. Now let's see the shortcut method. Okay, that is minus 4 by 5. We'll put the box right here, and minus 5 by 7. So we'll multiply this with this and we'll write it on the left hand side. Okay, this is also, you have to maintain very properly. This is 7 into this has to be written on the left hand side, and 5 into minus 25 has to be written on the right hand side. So minus 28 and this side minus 25. So which one is greater? This number is greater, so we'll write it. Okay, so I've showed you two methods, okay, for each sum. So if it is a long type answer, so you will follow this one, and if it is a shortcut method, then you will go with this one. So I want you to go with both the process right this moment, okay, so that you will be acquainted with both the marks, for 2 marks also and for 1 marks also. Okay, so there are more 2 sums there in this particular in question number, no, not 2 sums, there are altogether 7 sums are there. I hope you can do rest of the sums on yourself. If any problem you are facing, then you can share it in the WhatsApp group. So I want all of you to do sum number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 on yourself, okay, and show it to me. Thank you and take care.